Most hair oils in India have 10, 15, sometimes 30 different ingredients. HM Love has just two superstar ingredients: the hibiscus flower, fresh hibiscus flowers, and coconut milk oil. That's it. No other ingredient, no filler ingredients, no mineral oil, no synthetic chemicals, just those two super powerful, potent ingredients. Hibiscus is one of the most studied botanicals for hair growth in Ayurveda and modern dermatological research. It contains amino acids that directly nourish the hair follicles, which are the structure your hair actually grows out from. And it contains natural AHAs that gently exfoliate the scalp and remove the keratin and sebum buildup that blocks follicles and causes hair fall. Now, here's the thing most people don't know about scalp buildup. It is one of the most common causes of hair fall in India, and almost nobody talks about it. Pollution, hard water, dry shampoo, heavy oils that sit on the scalp instead of absorbing, all of it accumulates around the follicles and its opening. The follicles get choked. Hair weakens at the root and it falls. Hibiscus's natural AHAs address this directly. They dissolve that buildup without stripping the scalp of its natural oil. This is why Nanis like our Nani have been trusting fresh hibiscus flowers for decades and generations. Fresh hibiscus flower was not a ritual for ritual's sake. It was a precise botanical solution to a real biological problem. Grandmothers in India had figured it out through generations of observation that fresh flowers did something that nothing else could replicate. We now know scientifically exactly what that something is. The second ingredient is where HM Love is genuinely different from every other coconut-based hair oil in India. Standard coconut oil is heat processed. That heat makes extraction faster and cheaper, but it degrades the fatty acid profile of the oil in the process. And then, of course, you have the cold pressed coconut oil, where you cold press the meat of dried brown kernels. Now, we do something that is even better. We use fresh green coconuts and we extract the oil out of the milk of these fresh green coconuts without any kind of heat. The resulting oil is extremely nutrient dense with its fatty acid intact, and yet it is extremely lightweight, allowing it to penetrate deep within the hair shaft at its core. This allows our oil to be extremely rich in lauric acid, which protects the scalp from the bacterial and fungal activity that causes scalp irritation and then hair fall. So together, hibiscus clears the follicle and nourishes the root. The coconut milk oil protects the scalp, absorbs without residue, and delivers the fatty acid that strengthens the hair at the shaft. Two ingredients doing 6 jobs. No filler diluting either of them. EWG-compliant, 100% natural, vegan, cruelty-free. This is what a genuinely clean, genuinely effective hair oil looks like. How to use HM Love? Apply directly to the scalp, not the hair length, and massage in slow circular motion for 3 to 5 minutes. The massage step is not optional. It is what activates circulation to the follicle and ensures the oil absorbs rather than sits on the surface. Leave it on for an hour, go do your workout, go be busy, and then wash it off with a gentle sulfate-free shampoo. Use it consistently 2 to 3 times a week. One thing people notice immediately, it doesn't feel like traditional hair oiling. The coconut milk oil is extremely lightweight, so it leaves no heavy, greasy residue, which people hate. And you can apply it in the morning, go about your day, and nobody will really know you have hair oil on. It's that lightweight. Is HM Love suitable for an oily scalp? Yes. The hibiscus AHAs help regulate sebum production over time. This is not an oil that worsens an oily scalp. It actually addresses the underlying causes. Is it safe for color-treated, chemically processed hair? Yes. 2 ingredients, fresh hibiscus and coconut milk oil. No sulfates, no harsh chemicals, nothing that strips color or disrupts the chemical treatment. How long before I see results? We don't promise sudden magical transformation. For hair fall reduction, most people notice a visible difference from 4 to 5 weeks of consistent use, 2 to 3 times a week. Hair growth takes much longer, expect 8 to 12 weeks, because the follicle cycle is slow regardless of what you apply. Is it EWG compliant and completely clean? Yes, every ingredient in HM Love is EWG compliant, fresh hibiscus flowers and coconut milk oil. That's the entire formulation. Nothing synthetic, nothing that raises a safety flag on any clean beauty standard. Is it vegan and cruelty free? Yes, 100%. No animal derived ingredient, no animal testing, every single batch. HM Love is available on hibiscusmonkey.com, on Nykaa, on Amazon, on Blinkit. Link is in the description because every batch is made with fresh hibiscus flowers we produce in small batches. If it is out of stock, it typically takes 2 to 3 weeks. Worth knowing before you need it.